Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a video on about how I put on my hair system for you guys, and we have my products here. So what the first thing that you're going to need is obviously a comb, your glue, which is the Walker's Tape Ultra Hold, your hair system. Now this is one that's already been cut and ready to go onto my head. And then I have my mini double-sided tapes, as well as the best thing that you can ever do when it comes to putting a hair system on is your 91% alcohol. This stuff is really going to dry out all the oils out of your head. So you're just gonna take a little pad and you're just gonna put a little alcohol onto the pad and go into the scalp. You can get into the hair too, it doesn't really matter. This is just really gonna clean out the hair and everything like that. Okay, so while that's drying, we're gonna let that dry, and then you can see all the oils and stuff off of my head. Okay, so, I love that. And obviously I'm drinking my Strawberry Superior Hydration. Okay guys, so first things first I like to do is, obviously I deep conditioned it overnight. This is gonna leave your hair smelling amazing and really give it a nice, gorgeous, like, soft feel to it, and it's not dry. And then also, on top of it too, what you're going to do is blow dry it after you're done deep conditioning it in the morning. I just already did that because I didn't want to, like, sit there and blow dry it and let it dry and let it dry, like, on camera. Like, that's so boring for you guys to watch. So I definitely didn't do that, but we are already set, so we're gonna get into this video. But before that, make sure you guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys go and check out my YouTube channel. It would mean the world to me. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get to this video. Okay, so before we start the video, I want to show you guys what a hair system looks like before it is pre-cut and things like that. Now, this base is an 8 by 10, I believe, and I cut it to my own baldness shape or whatever the case may be. I would have to take this to the salon, get it cut and everything like that, and obviously first cut the base myself. I'll definitely release a video about that in my channel if you guys really do want to know how to cut a base. It is a challenging thing and it does take some time. You need to know the size and the shape of your head to get this beautiful cone. Now, I've been doing this for 9 years, you guys. That is exactly why I can cut my own base. So the first thing first, what we gotta do is we gotta put the tape onto the hair. Now, these, like I said, the Ultra Hold Mini Double-Sided Tapes are eye contact. Like, don't even get me started. They're amazing. Hold up to 4 weeks. And there's 72 tabs in a pack. Obviously, you can see that I'm very obsessed with them. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna bring the camera closer, and then I'm gonna have you guys zoom into the hair, and then you guys can watch me put on the tape and show you guys on how I do it, how easy it is. All right, let's get to the All right, guys, we have the camera focused and everything is ready to go in. This is gonna be the back of my hair system, and this is the front of my hair system. Okay, so what we're gonna take is we're gonna take a mini Ultra Hold Mini Double-Sided Tape tabs. And I'm gonna show you guys on how to do this. They are really nice. They come with 2 tabs in one section. So it's really nice. All you do is you're gonna take this tab right here, you're gonna flip it up, and you're gonna see it. That is the sticky side. And then obviously this part is not the sticky side. You're gonna take it to the edge of the hairline, and all you're going to do is pop it on right there. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the tabs. Boom, that's 1, sticky right there. 2, boom, that is done. You're gonna do it around the whole entire rim. I'm gonna speed up the video clip so you guys can see on how I do it. This is around the rim. The whole entire thing has been done. All right. The next step, what we're going to take, you guys, me show you quick. We're going to do, obviously, is we are going to take this and we're going to put this around the rim of the hair for a more secure hold. And like the following. So just doing the tip around like how I'm doing it. And gradually just getting it onto the tape. And I like to do it more in the front just because this is the most important. You want it to be real and look real and things like that. So I do put a lot on the back of it because that is another one that's really secure, that you want it to be secure. So I do put a bunch of liquid adhesive also on top, just to be safe. You guys can notice how long this is not even taking. It is super easy. But I've, again, been doing this for 9 years. And it has brought my confidence back. It has made me be a better person. It has made me be happy again. It has made me enjoy life again. It has made me become a better person. And I didn't do this because of people talking crap about me being bald or getting a receded hairline. I did this for myself, and that's the number one thing. Don't change yourself for anybody else but you. And I did this because this is what made me happy. When you lose something that you love so much, like I loved hair, I loved beauty and things like that. Well, with this dry, we'll talk a little bit, okay? That's right. So yeah, while the hair is drying, guys, before I put my hair system on or whatever the case may be, yeah, I just want you guys to know, like, the hair doesn't define you who you are as a person, and just in general, I didn't do this to change people's perspective about me to make me think I look great or whatever. Like, I'm okay with being what I look like. At the end of the day, I'm gonna eventually go bald when I'm older, and I really don't, I don't think it looks that bad. I mean, obviously with the tanner, then when I'm going tanning and stuff. But it's easy when you tan because the line, you can see the line like where the hair is supposed to be. It's kind of funny. I didn't do this to change people that have talked crap about me or whatever the case may be. Like, I did this for myself. I was so depressed and just so down about losing my hair. It's something that you can't really describe to somebody that has hair, you know? I think that it is so much more meaningful when the person that's going through hair loss that knows how you feel, and that then when you all of a sudden have this new creation that someone invented with, it's called a hair system or toupee. I don't really know the difference, to be honest. I personally think it's a hair system, not a toupee. I'm not Donald Trump. But basically, the hair system just looks so real, and I just got my confidence back. And when I take pictures and photos and stuff like that, like, it changed my world, it changed my life. So it gave me my confidence back, and I just can't stress that enough. So if you or anyone out there that you know that is going through hair loss or anything like that, introduce them to a hair system. Honestly, it's life-changing, and bring their confidence back if you think that they're depressed or they're going through something, because I was really at my low at the low. I was at low to the low to the low. I wanted to get into modeling, and I went to modeling agencies and stuff like that, and they didn't want me because my hair was receding and I just didn't look good. I mean, modeling is a really tough industry. They judge you off your looks, and I personally think having hair and looking the way I look now, I have a lot better chance to become that, and that's fine if my agency is an Instagram profile. But at the end of the day, like, I love what I do. I love fashion. I love beauty. I love glamour. I just love looking the way I look. And yeah, I think it's ready to put on my head. So now we're going to just check to see if it is sticky. If it's wet and like stays out, you do not like that. You do not want to put this on your hair yet. Why? This will push into the hair and it will ruin it. Like, I'm talking ruin it. I mean, not like destroy it, but it's gonna like literally not look great. It's going to be really rough looking and just not cute. When you first put on a hair system, it is not cute. Let me tell you, you have a lot of things to do. Not a lot, but a lot of stuff to take care of it, you know. First of all, when the hair goes on your head, it's going to look like a mop is on your head at the beginning. You gotta obviously take a nice little warm, like a deep conditioner spray that is a leave-on, comb through it, or get a little wet. But what they don't want you to do is get your hair wet 24 hours after you put your hair system on, because you need the chance to get the glue to stay and stick and stuff like that. Obviously, I've gotten my hair wet immediately after putting it on my head because obviously when I go to work, I need to get my hair wet to make it look great, you know what I'm saying? I am going to definitely wait 24 hours this time because I want my hair to stick really well and just stuff like that. But like I say, you need to definitely leave it on for 24 hours for sure. So I'm waiting for that little edge thing to fucking, you know, I'm waiting for it to, I think we're Gucci. I think we're Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada. Those basic bitches wear that shit, but I don't even bother. Okay, so cool. Let's put this on. So this is obviously, guys, the top of my head, and this is the bottom. My new one that I got in the mail. Now, this is obviously being deep conditioned. You can already tell and see it is very hard and bristled. I love leaving a leave-in conditioner and also a deep conditioner in my hairs because when this one is shot, I already have another one set. I have another one coming in the mail as well, and I will also release those as well. So what I'll do is I'll probably make an entourage about all the different hair systems that I have had on my head, and you guys can see all the different looks that you can make and things like that. You can go from a ponytail, you can go from a man bun, you can go from a spiked up hair, you can go from a sit down, you can go from hair down, you can do anything you want with a hair system. That is why they make them look like jellyfishes. And then you go to a salon or whatever you can do to get your hair cut. Now I have to go to a family member because salons won't cut this. They just won't. They don't want to get sued or whatever the case may be. But yeah, so let's stop rambling and let's get the video and let's put it on. All right, guys, so we are putting on my hair system, so let's do this. What we're gonna do is you're going to take your two ends. Obviously, this is going to be the front and this is the back. I already have it lined up due to the fact that my tanner doesn't get tan underneath my hair. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on. Now, I've been doing this again for 9 years, y'all, so let's do this. Okay, the light goes away when I do this, so it's really scary. So I'm gonna put this down a little bit. Okay, this is gonna be a little challenging without a mirror, but we're gonna try to make it work. Okay, so I think that is pretty good. Okay, so we're going to try and see. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so we're going to now push it onto my head very slowly. Oh, so good, you guys. Wow. To my head, stay on there, girl. Like, what's up? How are you? And just go from there. Now, like I said, the hair looks crazy, right? But it looks like it comes out of my head. Obviously, you gotta fix a little bit of this. And yeah, so. Okay, so let's now go style it. Hold on a second. Okay. We're going to take the Ion Healthy Scalp Solutions. This is a soothe and refreshes scalp lightweight conditioner, heat protection, and also paraben-free, and it's a hydrating pre-style. So what I'm going to do is I like to take it and spray it all over my hair system, and then run my fingers through it for a little bit. All right. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a comb and I'm going to brush it very gently and style it the way I want my hair to be. The key, gentle. If you gotta be gentle when it comes to like this stuff. Okay. And there you guys have it, a quick style on how to get my hair system onto my head. Now, obviously, it will be a better look or whatever the case may be, but I went from this to now this. And my confidence is back, and I just look, you know, really happy and just like love life. And so, you know, this is what I do. But yeah, like I always say in all my videos, you guys, do not let me breeze you all away. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and post a comment below if you've watched the whole thing. I want you guys to say Donald Trump in the comments. If you watch the whole thing, okay? Like, let's blow the tea. Give me that time watched, bitches. All right, bye, guys.